Alt season, is it coming, or are we going to expect a 40% drop? I know you like XLM price prediction, and I know you like AI. So we combined the two and gave you an AI price prediction for XLM. Lots of news coming up. It's all got to do with altcoins. We're banging and wanging this Monday morning with Bitcoin sitting at 30,173 ETH, 1862 XRP 47.1 with XLM highlight of the show under that 10-cent mark sitting at 9.8 down, 0.57 last 24 hours. Altcoins on the verge of a 40% crash against Bitcoin, warns influential crypto YouTuber. Benjamin Cohen has issued a warning to cryptocurrency investors, stating that altcoins could be on the brink against a significant downturn against Bitcoin. In a recent tweet, Cohen highlighted concerning resemblance between current altcoin valuations against Bitcoin and the situation observed in 2019. Do you believe we're going to have an altcoin pump or an altcoin dump? This crypto influencer says dump, but I want to know from you. Here's that tweet, by the way, and as always, any article in this video along with my Twitter information will be linked in the description below. July 2019 altcoins are at the same valuation of Bitcoin that they are today. While timeframes do not have to align perfectly, this chart still suggests that altcoins could collectively drop another 40% against Bitcoin. It's called the altcoin reckoning for a reason. Ooh, alt season. What are the different paths in alt season? Phase 1 Bitcoin, flow of money moves into Bitcoin. Then you get Ethereum going, then you get large cap, then you get alt season. Very similar to the stock market, right? Where you get your big ones, and then at the end, the Russell 2000 comes in. And when the Russell 2000 moves, that's how you know the stock market is on the way back up. Definitely worth the read here. Definitely worth the read because this is mixing emotion in with price. Speaking of price, we've got Google Bard. What will the price for Stellar XLM be at the end of 2023? I have been hounded lately on crypto Twitter. People telling me, Klaus, at the end of July, the price of XLM is going to be 20 cents. You better apologize. Well, if it's 20 cents, I will apologize. So screen grab that last segment and call me out on it if we get to 20 cents. Speaking of price prediction, what did Google Bard predict for the XLM price by the end of the year? In light of these events, Finbold sought the expertise of Bard, an AI chatbot, to gain insights into the potential price trajectory of XLM by the end of 2023. Bard provided a comprehensive analysis taking into account various factors that could exert substantial influence on its movements, with the analysis based in the situation as of June 29. Specifically, Bard offered an average price target of 10 cents at the end of the year, based on the assumption that the market will experience a bull market, but not as strong as the one in 2021. Low price target, 8 cents. Average, 10 cents. High, 12. So now let's take a look at price action for XLM, and we can see, yep, tried that 11.5, didn't make it. We broke through 10, yep, broke right through that floor support at 10, and we have been hovering under since. We've been basically trading anywhere from 9.5 to 9.9 over the last several days. CPI data is coming up on Wednesday. PPI data is coming up on Thursday. Those two news events are definitely big enough out there to propel XLM above that 10-cent mark. We get juicy CPI data, something like a 3.0, 3.1, 2.9. Yeah, expect XLM to go more green because Jerome Powell and the Fed will have to take a pause, or there'll be pressure put on them to take a pause at the next meeting. That's if housing comes down. If housing doesn't come down, Fed's going to have a lot of pressure to raise rates. Fed raises rates, crypto goes down. But when we're done with inflation, when we're done with the raising rates, that's when we can see all these cryptos move. So with Bard giving the price prediction here, that's based on what? Macroeconomic conditions sucking for the rest of the year. Inflation and fighting it and dealing with it and raising rates and all that stuff, fighting it till the end of the year. 10-cent price prediction for XLM by Google Bard. And it's all got to do with macros, everyone, with two massive macro events coming up in the next couple of days. Yeah, if XLM is 20 cents by the end of this month, I'll definitely apologize to everyone on crypto Twitter. But Bitcoin has been stealing the roost as of late, and we've seen the SEC has just been now targeting crypto hardcore. Bitcoin is getting a pass. Bitcoin has clawed its way back from the FTX decline time. XLM is still well below its price during FTX. which means Bitcoin is less risky now than it was during FTX time when the market was a mess, where XLM is more risky now. So as Bitcoin proved its resilience over the last 8 months, XLM price is still eroding, definitely not proving its resilience. Let me know in the comments down below what your price prediction is for the end of this month for XLM and the end of the year. Let's see how we stack up when it comes to Google Bard. Now, you know what I'm doing, pre-burn workout. I did a 2-hour ride yesterday and I'm absolutely fried. Slept 4.5 hours. I do not feel good at all, but it was great to push myself. So I'm going to do it yet again today. You cool cats, though, have a great rest of your day.